You know, Emil, in the beginning of this summit, I told Natalie that this felt magical, and I felt that way throughout the whole 2 days. Having thousands of attendees and reading their comments and questions in the chat channel was really exciting. Hearing experts from every field of CAM convinced me without a doubt that SolidCAM really is the CAM of the present and the future. I am personally so proud to be a part of the ever-growing SolidCAM and the SolidCAM family. You put in a lot of hard work into this company, and you never lost sight of your Northern Star. Thank you, Emil, for making the work of so many machinists so much easier and so much more productive.
Yes, this was definitely an amazing event for me. I'm sure that we succeeded to pass the message to all SolidCAM staff, partners, resellers, and prospects regarding the immense power of SolidCAM today in the CAM arena, especially with the latest powerful release, SolidCAM 2021. Our targeting of the rapidly growing advanced manufacturing niche, including mainly advanced mill-turn and switch-type markets, will provide our customers with absolutely the best CAM solution available in the market today and with the best expert technical and post-support teams of our branches, affiliates, and resellers. Successful CAM has to stand on 2 legs, an excellent product and an excellent technical and post-support. And we make sure always to have both. This is the secret of our worldwide success in a nutshell. We usually pride ourselves on the success and increased productivity of our manufacturing customers using all the easy-to-learn and use powerful SolidCAM functions. We will continue to strive to provide the greatest value to our users, including all our planned new projects that you got a sneak peek at the last presentation today. SolidCAM has a powerful customer-centric team of product managers and R&D developers that can execute our targeted projects in the best possible way. So, it's time to say goodbye. Stay healthy and have the best successful year 2021.
And yes, we can.